I'm going to give you guys a tip on how to tell the condition of your vehicle. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures. I hope you're having a great day. One of the least used things to diagnose vehicles by owners is fuel mileage. I myself keep meticulous records of my fuel mileage, and I use a website to do so. I'll put it in the comment section. But if say, for example, you're driving along, you're doing the same route every day, and your fuel mileage goes from 20 miles to the gallon to 10 miles to the gallon, it's an indicator that there's something wrong. Could be major, could be minor. Now, there's some things that you can check. Tire inflation. You know, do your brakes smell hot? Has your car been tuned up lately? Like, this is all stuff, but it's a good indicator of a potential problem. Now, I know for a fact a lot of people do not check their tire inflation, and that will contribute to poor fuel mileage. So, you know, once a month, maybe take a round of your car, check the tire inflation. Even the type of tires you put on a car will affect your fuel mileage. So if you put on an aggressive tire or a snow tire, it will get worse mileage than a summer tire or an all-season. And even to the point of all-season tires, there's difference in mileage you get then. So these are all things that you can look at, okay? So if you get new tires and your fuel mileage goes up or down, well, it could be the tires that are doing it. But, you know, like brakes. Have you ever smelled hot brakes that has that asbestos-y smell? Well, you know, if your mileage drops, then just put your hand, not on the wheel, because it can be boiling hot, but just near the wheel. If it's radiating heat more than the other, like if you go to that side, like the passenger front of your car, and it's radiating heat, you can put your hand near the wheel, and it's radiating heat. And then you go to the driver's side, and you're not getting the heat at all. Chances are you have a sticky caliper. And what's happening is it's holding the brakes on, okay? And it's dragging, reducing your fuel mileage. And sooner or later, it will get bad enough that it could leave you stranded. And I've seen those, and I've had those, where they've actually burst into flame. Like, so that's something that you got to watch. But it's little things. A type of oil can change. Like if you do an oil change, you notice your fuel mileage goes down a little bit. I've seen brands of motor oil change fuel mileage, and because I keep that close a tab on it. So, you know, there's things that you got to watch in your maintenance schedule, because if you're using your van all the time, you should be cautious. You should be conscientious of your maintenance schedule. You should pay attention, because, you know, if you find a drop in your mileage, something caused it. And if it continues that way, something's wrong. You need to get it addressed. Not only will it cost you more money in fuel, but if it's not addressed, it could cost you a lot of money down the road. And it also could leave you stranded. So, guys, girls, keep track of your fuel mileage, and it will give you a hint on the condition of your car and how well, or van, and how well it's doing. I'll leave a link in the comment description below that'll tell you a site that I use. You might want to check it out. But I hope this gave you a little heads up, and it helps you get the most out of your vehicle. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. You guys take care. Please be safe.